And a couple of days no talking. I see my baby, and she tells me. She said, I keep on running, and I gotta find a different one. Couple days no talking. I see my baby. Never said that much. My baby. I got a good one. I think I found an actual version I'm going to be able to sing to, and it's going to make me look good. Let's do this. Let's go. Are you recording this? Perfect. What magazine are you from, babe? Wait. Let me ask you a question. No. Yo. Let's do it. New subby up in the chat. Hit that like button. Share out the stream, homie. Let's go. The song's for you, new subby. To all my new subbies today, to all my new channel members sending it home for the hash man to make this year's grow something special. Shouts out early, early season shout outs. You have no idea what you are helping me accomplish by believing in me, giving me something to believe in, you know? Fuck is going on here? Woo! Couple weeks no talking. I see my baby, and this is she sells me. She said, I keep on running, and nothing works. I can't get away from you. No, I keep on ducking, and nothing helps. I can't stop seeing you. I'm a new nightmare. She ain't escaping. It makes me feel sick. Oh shit, I can't see very good with these on. And the text is really small on this. It's a bad version. I gotta find a different one. Man, I'm old. Fucking long commercial, man. Here we go. I kicked in too fast again. It's pretty quick.